So what we're going to do is we're going to use Chat GPT to help us to create some catchy phrases, 5 catchy phrases for, let's see, creative businesses. Let's see. Or a bookkeeper to try them as clients. Let's see what we come up with here. From creativity to profitability, let's craft your financial success story. Let's see. I'm just looking for one that kind of strikes the fancy and stands out to me. So you can just keep getting chat to generate. Creative chaos. We bring order to your numbers and fuel your dreams. I like that one because a lot of creatives are like it's hard for them to focus in on things, and they know that. Most of them know that. And so let's see. Let's use that. So I just copied it from, I did Control C, copied it from ChatGPT, and now I'm going to make the words just a lot smaller. Let's see. 150, need to be smaller than that. 50. It's rather simple to be able to edit inside of canva.com.